fantastic. However, as part of my collection, I came across this. Why do I have this? I'm not sure. Actually, I think this is kind of a cool album. I'm gonna have to put it on and listen to it. I'll let you know. I've been eating way too much crap since about Christmas. It's gotta stop. That was a brownie. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. No more. So, it's still kind of early. It's only, what does that say? It's actually warmer than I thought. It's like 30 degrees out. I've started cleaning up all the outside Christmas lights. And now I've got to put all these away today. Not super excited about that. That was a good brownie though. Holy. That was a weird look. How's your waffle? Yeah? Hey, you know what I did this morning? At like 8 o'clock this morning, I ate a brownie. You don't like brownies, right?
I do.
Oh, okay. So the kids are having some friends over today. And that means I might have just a few minutes while they're upstairs cleaning their rooms and getting ready to do something on my own that I never get to do without being bothered. And that thing is, play a little VR by myself. So every now and then, when I'm playing VR, I get a little bit of motion sickness. Gotta stop playing, put it down, come outside. I'm dizzy and I might puke. Crap, you know what? I don't remember what I came out here for. Okay, forget it. Hey guys?
Yeah?
Can you come here for a minute?
What's up?
I need your help with something. Do you know what this is?
A book.
It's not a book.
It's a painting.
Yes.
It's not a painting.
I know what that is.
What is it?
Isn't it like a CD or something?
This is so much better than I expected. Wait, come here. So I'm gonna give you this, and I'd like you to use this and this and make music. I'm very excited.
So look. Now put that in. Right here. Then you have to...
Wait. Mouse. Oh, wait. Don't play with that. You do it like that. Mouse. Wait. Hold on. And then what?
How do you turn it on?
No, I don't think you close it.
You guys are very close. You're doing a lot better than I thought you would.
I know we use this to put on here, right?
Yes.
Then why is it making that noise?
Try pulling it to the right until it clicks. That's the left.
And then put it on?
That's not how it works. Oh, you even knew where to change that?
Well,
This is not what I was expecting. It went a lot better than I thought.
Got it!
I really thought it would take the kids longer to figure out how that worked. I don't know that they've ever really seen one of those before. So that kind of puts a damper on my whole, this is what we were doing today. man.
Thanks.
We've had this in the fridge since New Year's. Several weeks now. I think it's time to drink it.
Cheers. Tastes like apple juice. Should've got a grape.
Not my thing. I just kicked Amanda's butt at some gin rummy. Also, just for the record, I did not clean these up yet. I don't actually know if I'm going to today. We'll see.